Hey everybody, Photoman here. Thanks for tuning in for another video. This one is on the Bittern Lake Ranch, built in 1897 by, or under instruction of, William Anthony Stoughton. Being that he was an English aristocrat, it's most likely that he hired laborers to build this amazing house for him. In 1907, Mr. Stoughton traded the ranch for a brewery business, but sold that a few years later. Whether man or woman working on this ranch took a strong person, and back then it paid a whole $2 per day.